GTII stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Global tech industries stock is sitting at 24 cents at the moment. It's 5% up on Friday, and last week's performance overall has performed around 10% down. I do love how we definitely took out lows first and then we came back up into that range. This range is still bearish though. Still bearish. Like the only way for me to consider this like a bullish range, the price will need to start breaking above like 34 cents or so. And let me mark out the high. As long as we come into the supply area and the price starts giving me the rules, then this is another opportunity to take it lower. But like the only way that I'm really gonna take this thing lower is if the price gives me the rules, and nothing other than that. So it's not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.